before, because after it makes no sense. Let's see, I want to saturate this organ, but an organ is an instrument that's very dynamic, so it only distorts when the signal is loud. Obviously I want to control the dynamics now, but when I insert a compressor it won't distort at all. That is because now the loudest passages are at the same level of the soft ones. If I now raise the output gain to unity, now we have a perfectly distorted vintage Hammond with the same uniform color or amount of saturation that would have had as if it would have been distorted in the preamp stage. Finally, take a look at the meter on Pro Tools and see how after we do this, the signal is louder, is more stable, and it's just great.